Okay, students, I'm going to go over our assignment from today, the discussion roundtable. So for starters, the first thing you always do is when we're talking about assignments, you go to Teams, you go to General, then you go to Assignments, and you look for the World in 300 CE. That was the name of our assignment today. It was posted in the meeting chat. You can go back and look. There's some other directions if you need more clarity. So you're going to go there. Okay, once you're here, you're going to click this to open it. Now you have the assignment, right? And make sure also, lastly, to make sure you go up, hit edit, right there. Now, to find the text, there are directions at the very top that say directions to the text. You guys will follow these directions to get to the text. So copy and paste this link or right click. If I right click, I can go to open link. Then it says, scroll down to find the red icon called McGraw-Hill and click to open. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, McGraw-Hill. My next direction, then locate the class with 2021 Duffy on it and open it. I'm going a little fast because I also got to explain some parts of the assignment. So I'm going to wait for this to open. Okay, what's my next direction? After that, locate the interactive student ebook or edition and click open. Okay, I'm going to click it. Boom. All right. Oh, I got to reset this so you guys can see what it would look like on your screen. Then what? Using the table of contents on the top left side, open the World in 300 CE tab, which is a blue button. Okay, so top left over here, table of contents. Okay, blue button, the World in 300. Okay, now what? Then click feature, the World in 300, which is a white button. Okay. Oh, all right, boom, I'm to the text. Awesome. All right. So part one asks you guys to read the whole text, the World in 300 CE. Make sure to look at the maps and pictures, then answer the question below. What is one thing you learned from the text? One sentence in your own word. You're just telling me one thing. Part two is asking you to cite 3 pieces of evidence from the text, the same text. As you guys are reading it, look for things that sound important and then write them in the box. You have 3 boxes here. There's more specific directions here. So it says cite evidence from the text directly, not your own words. Cite whole sentences and use the proper format for citing by using one of these sentence starters. Okay, so a sentence starter, that would be the beginning of my sentence. According to the name of the text, it states insert quote here. All right, so I got to fill in the blanks here. What's the name of my text? Mr. Duffy has it right here. For today's assignment, the name of the text is the World in 300 CE. So I'm going to write according to the text, and I'm just going to say according to, the World in 300 CE, it states. Then I'm going to go back here and find an important quote. Let's say travelers along trade routes exchanged ideas as well as goods. Okay, travelers along trade routes. Travelers along trade routes. Then I'm not going to copy the whole thing because I don't want you guys copying my answer because then everyone will have the same one. So I'd copy that. Okay, then I'd keep looking and I'd find some more important information and then I'd type that one there and then I'd go back and I'd find one more important sentence. Doesn't matter where you guys pull it from. If you pull all 3 from the first part, that's okay. Now once you have that, you guys need to follow the directions here. Very, very clear directions. I am in breakout group. Delete this and type your number. So if you're in group 1, you're going to delete that and type 1. And then it says transfer your notes from above. Okay, so from this chart onto the chart below. Oh, okay, so my name, Brendan. And then I'm going to copy my notes from here down here. Then what? Assign a moderator who makes sure everyone talks and does not talk over one another. All right, so I would do that in my group. Then I would go through and write down all my partners' names in the boxes. Okay, so partner 1, partner 2, partner 3. I'd write down their names. And then I would write the moderator's name. And then I would share out 3 notes, one at a time, so I can write down everybody's notes. So that's the basics on that. The last part we will talk about in our meeting today.